Hi everyone! Today I'll be giving a brief summary about reinventing project-based learning. Imagining the possibilities. Good projects will be designed to get to the root of the concept being taught as well as pique students' interest and connect to their experiences. When designing a project, we must ask ourselves questions such as, what ideas and concepts should students know after the project is complete? A project should have relevance to real-life situations and interactions. With real-world concepts, the project covers different branches of knowledge, unlike the traditional learning method, where it's usually focused on a single discipline. A good project will cause students to stretch their intellectual muscles and will make them analyze, evaluate, and create. Habits of the mind should be thought of when creating projects. These habits include confidence, motivation, persistence, etc. These habits cannot be taught directly but can be learned through encouragement. It is important that these projects influence a growth mindset rather than fixed. A fixed mindset is the belief that intelligence is something you have or don't, while a growth mindset believes that effort plays a major role in intelligence. We must nurture growth mindset by praising effort over smarts. In addition, the project should always keep the students' passions and interest in mind, because when they are passionate about something, it will help create a connection to the learning experience. Strategies for discovery. When choosing a project designed by someone else, it is important to be selective. While some may look appealing, it is best to pay attention to the quality of experience students will receive. There are common pitfalls of an unsuccessful project. One being a brief lecture of the topic which gives the same kind of knowledge. A second is using technology to dress up a traditional idea. An example in the book is having students research a topic on the internet and then present it in an electronic slideshow, and that does not count as a quality project. Another is not enough check-ins to help with quality ending results. A successful project will have flexibility, which means tapping into the interest of the students or bending the rules a little bit to make sure everyone is understanding the concepts, or making students ask questions and creating a willingness to learn. Making assessment meaningful. Through project-based learning, students question, discover, research, and do much more in their own way until they grasp a new understanding of a concept. Assessments will show students' knowledge of a concept, but can be used to support students not only after they learn, but while they learn as well. Formative assessment initiate check-ins to help students with misunderstandings or project adjustments to help achieve the best learning outcomes. Summative assessments measures the students' learning at the end of a project through tests or rubrics. A rubric is a useful tool for sharing expectations and feedback for students. It reflects growth in the areas focused on during the project. There are many ways to assess students' learning, but it is the most important to have clear ideas and motives for the learning outcome of the intended project. There are many other assessment options to show students' knowledge as well, such as brainstorming, where groups can come together and give off ideas which create more ideas, and that shows that they are learning what they should be. Or coffee talks, which are small group discussions or workshops that the teacher holds to help guide the research and to help their project process, or checklist, which keeps everyone on task and makes sure that they are meeting the deadlines. So if you have any more questions, I advise you to check out the field guide to real-world projects in the digital age, and I'm sure it'll really help you out, as I hope this summary did. Thank you.